What is a matrix with only one row called? A. Coleman matrix. B. Square matrix. C. Row matrix. D. Zero matrix. Answer C. A matrix with the same number of rows and columns is called A. Row matrix. B. Coleman matrix. C. Square matrix. D. Diagonal matrix. Answer C. Which matrix has zeros everywhere except possibly along the main diagonal? A. Scalar matrix. B. Identity matrix. C. Diagonal matrix. D. Zero matrix. Answer C. If all diagonal elements of a diagonal matrix are equal, it is called A. Zero matrix. B. Identity matrix. C. Scalar matrix. D. Triangular matrix. Answer C. The transpose of a matrix A is obtained by A. Interchanging rows and columns. B. Adding all entities. C. Multiplying by a scalar. D. Swapping two rows. Which of the following is not an elementary row operation? A. Swapping two rows. B. Multiplying a row by 0. C. Scaling a row by a non-zero constant. D. Adding a multiple of one row to another. Answer B. In row echelon form, rows with all zeros must be A. At the top. B. In the middle. C. At the bottom. D. Anywhere. Answer C. In reduced row echelon form, the leading entry in each non-zero row must be A. 0. B. Greater than 1. C. 1. D. Any non-zero number. Answer C. If A and B are matrices with the same size, then A minus B is defined as Aij dot Bij. C. Aij minus Bij. C. Aij plus Bij. D. Aji minus Bji. Answer B. A matrix where all entries are 0 is called A. Identity matrix. B. Scalar matrix. C. Zero matrix. D. Diagonal matrix. Answer C. A matrix where all elements below the main diagonal are 0 is called A. Upper triangular matrix. B. Lower triangular matrix. C. Diagonal matrix. D. Scalar matrix. Answer A. If A is 2 times 3 matrix and B is 3 times 2 matrix, what is the size of A times B? A 2 by 2, B 3 by 3, C 2 by 3, D 3 by 2. Answer A. The identity matrix is a special case of A. Zero matrix, B. Scalar matrix, C. Diagonal matrix, D. Both B and C. Answer D. For matrix multiplication, A times B to be defined, the number of in A must be equals to the number of in B. A. Row and column, B. Columns and row, C. Rows and rows, D. Columns and columns. Answer B. In a scalar matrix, all diagonal entries are A. 0, B. Equal, C. 1, D. Different. የዚህን ጥያቄ መልሱን ኮመንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። የምትፈልጉት ፖርሽን ካለ እንድሰራላችሁ የምትፈልጉት ነገር ካለ ኮመንት ላይ አሳውቁኝ። የምለቀው ቪዲዮ እንዲደርሳችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። መልካም ጊዜ